I think I want to do the Hey, a colorful mystery. They're going to love that. I think you should read Henny, Lenny, Benny, Penny, and
Mike.
Mike, that's right.
This, on top of bringing water and playtime with it, is awesome.
It is so good to see all of you guys today.
Came to the splash pad for story time, and we danced and sang some songs, read a couple stories, and then to top it all off, my girls love the library, so we got to go visit the mobile library, check out some books. It's an exciting day.
Here they get to come and they can make a card and they can do all of the things that they could do at a regular library, just in a smaller scale in our bus.
Did you see? There's something enormous in there.
Reading is fundamental, and to get it from different environments.
That's a perfect book for you.
Watching them interact with the other kids and play and get up and dance and sing, all because they all love books.
It's just fun.